Hey everyone! I'd like to talk to you about a great ZenFone 5 feature that I really love. This time, I'd like to talk to you about intuitive UI, a compact but useful feature and an all-screen display that delivers a totally immersive visual experience. By just swiping the status bar down, in an instant, you'll be able to see your important messages or turn critical functions on and off. You'll also be able to enjoy videos and live streams in full view display. This and more awesome features can be found on the new ZenFone 5. Be sure to check them all out. Thanks for watching.